Brown one too.
Yeah. I'm guessing most of the electronics now are sitting right here.
Yeah.
100-year-olds.
Supposed
to, so he knows you're out there. There's nobody there to say that you're not there.
I'm calling.
The dogs won't call and say, "Hey, Tommy, where's Maryann? She didn't get home."
Good morning, Philippines.
Hello guys! Binalik ko lang itong sweater. Hello guys, good morning! Good morning everything! Kumusta po kayo mga ka-everything? And today is, andun si Tommy diba sa isang bahay. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is I'm going over there. Yeah, bago tayo punta doon, kakain lang tayo. Naghintay din ako sa sa tawag ni sister-in-law. Kasi siya nasa buhok ko ha. Sa tawag ni sister-in-law kasi mag-meet kami doon. Gagawin lang namin yung mga dapat gawin. Kasi weekend, walang trabaho si sister-in-law. And then nandun si Tommy. Yun, yung sabaw na ginawa ko the other day. Nandito pa man. At saka hindi namin natapos kahapon. So yun. Magsabaw tayo tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga. Binalik ko lang ito guys kasi lumabas ako sobrang aga. Kasi pinalabas ko itong mga alaga natin. New guys, New Year. Kumusta po yung January 2 ninyo? January 2 na tayo ngayon ba? I know late na ito. Pero kumusta? 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 Mi amigos. Ano lang ako. Dito ko siya ilalagay yung steak. Mag-iluto natin dyan kasi masisira, malapit na siyang masira. And before siya masira, gamitin na natin, lutuin, and then ilagay sa refrigerator or freezer. So, bago tayo aalis, lutuin natin ito. Hindi pa man ako ready. Hindi pa tumawag si sister-in-law. Ito natin ilagay si steak. Ano po ito guys? Ang tawag nito is mabigat. Oh, mabigat. Ang tawag nito is cast iron. Mabigat siya as in mabigat. Early in the morning. Then, seasoning. Pwede itong malagay sa oven na ganun. Kasi sabi pa ni Tami, dinipros ko kasi siya mga 3 days ago. And then, sabi ko, ay, i-dinner natin. And then, yun yung time, I think 3 days, 2 days, 4 days, something like that. Yun yung time na nag-defrost ako ng burger for Tami. And then, dinipros ko din ito. Akala ko, lutuin namin sa New Year's Eve. Nung andito sila Lloydie. Pero naisipan ko ang dami namang in-order ni Mister. So, wag na. Tapos na guys. So, anuhan lang natin yan para hindi na mainit. And then, ilagay sa ziplock. And then yan, hindi na yan masisira. Yan. 11:10 na. Hindi pa nag-text yung kapatid ni Tommy. I don't really know what time he's going to start leaving her house. But I have to go. I'm not gonna wait. It's a 1.5 hour drive. Yun nun. Tinext ko na si Tommy. Sabi ko, alis ako dito. Ito, pare-pareha kami ng binili ni Lloydie at saka yung nakilala ko kahapon. Si Brenda. Brenda ba yun? Pare-pareho kami ng binili. Yellow or mustard color. Look. Ito is $9 pero yung mga jeans is $7 na lang yung mga jeans. Okay. So sabi pa ni Tommy, I have to be careful. Pero, I think okay na kasi, di ba, pag maginaw, mag-ice. Pero, I think it's okay na kasi now, it's very sunny. And it's 40 degree outside. Damn! You guys be a good girl, okay? Mama will be right back. Okay? I'll get some bonsi again. Nag-text yung kapatid ni Tami, sabi pa, so much more in 10 because plano niya 10 o'clock aalis siya sa bahay. At saka hindi ko ma-mount itong camera ko kasi yung car mount ko is hindi na siya mag-sucked. Hindi na siya masasak. Hindi na siya kumakapit sa window. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Alis na daw yung kapatid ni Tami. Ako din, mag-gas pa ako. Kasi wala na pala akong gas. Sabi ko kahapon, hindi ako mag-gas. Bukas na. So ngayon, saan natin mag-gas? Maganda yung panahon ngayon, guys. Yun, hininaan ko lang yung natin sound. 40 degree, 42 I think sa labas. Nag-speed control ko, guys, para hindi tayo maano ng pulis, para hindi tayo ma-overspeed. Okay. Anyway, guys. Hello, guys. I am here. Dito na ako. Wala pa si sister-in-law. Wala pa siya, so tayo pa lang andito. Ang init. Ang init pala, Ginoo ko. Yung gamit pala ni Tami andun sa trunk. May dala-dala pala akong napkin. Look. Anyway, let's go inside the house, guys. You still eating?
Happy? I are.
Anyway, guys.
There's plenty of food in there if you're hungry.
I bring bread.
Because I forgot to bring it.
No, not your bread. I think I put your bread. No? So, hintayin ko lang yung kapatid ni Tami. Wala pa man sila. You sleep upstairs?
Oh, yeah, I didn't go on 40.
Huh?
After 40.
Why? And there's no flood.
No. If I go up in the flood, then I may not hear it.
Mister, andito. Andito si Mister.
Garbage.
Andito na yung kapatid ni Tami and yun, mag hair tie lang tayo kasi ang dusty. This one.
No.
You know.
The bricks? See that? They go there.
Yeah, but
Or-
you think
It
people.
doesn't matter. They come with the house. If they want to fix it, they get the bricks.
Whatever. Yeah. And
I used to like that hat. I had a brown one too.
yeah. Huh?
I had a brown one too. I think they gave it to one of Andrew's kids at one point.
Oh my god, this is a real roaster.
Brown,
Real chicken and roaster feeder. What is this chocolate fountain?
Hey, you threw my hat away.
See, that's
Now you're gonna break crap.
what the heck is this? What is this?
The decanter.
It's broken. What?
That's what you broke it?
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Where did you get this freaking no parking anytime?
Stolen.
Oh my god.
Had cops come here looking for me. What was my father, man?
Really?
You sure? Yeah.
You took it from the sign?
Yep, went right up, climbed up the pole and unscrewed it.
Yung bata ko talaga to, guys, pasaway. Pasaway.
It's how we do things.
Yeah. You, not we.
Huh?
Friends?
Is your friend still?
Yeah. We took a whole bunch of times. That was only one.
Really?
Put the new ones and put all the old ones back.
And there's something wrong with you.
Yeah. So I've been told. Open.
What is this, Han? Han, what is
Gas
this?
meter.
It's a gas meter.
Yeah.
That's how big is that, guys? It's really big.
What I'm saying is you can throw away the bad stuff,
Yeah. Hello.
move the stuff into one freezer and defrost it at least. I don't even know what you got in here. I don't know what's...
Yeah, so some of them is red.
That looks kind of...
Yeah, that's bad. I'm gonna do this, but not now. I'm just like clear up the shit here.
Yeah. Well, what about these things? Sugar-free pineapple cakes.
I will kill myself if
You
you're
want
going
these
to
thrown
bring
out?
this home.
You want these thrown out? How long is this stuff in here?
That's bad.
I don't know about all the other junk. See?
Yeah. I'm gonna start here. What's going on in this world? My God, ang dami pa dito, guys. Hindi ko pa alam. Pero Tommy told me, my God, nakakatakot naman. Natakot. Now they're going to vote the Senate. They have to vote kung hindi ka tested sa COVID, kung hindi ka pa injected, kailangan mong gawin yun lahat para kinokontrol na yung buhay mo, and then pagkatapos kapag hindi ka na-testingan ng COVID and then wala kang injection sa COVID, ilagay ka sa prisuhan. They will put you in prison. So what's going on in America? You know what? They try to be like somebody else, other country. Kinokontrol yung buhay mo. This coming Wednesday, nila yung voting. Alam nyo, nakakatakot na, guys. This is really ridiculous. You don't like inject whatever, so now they want you to be injected. Is merong something sa injection nila, and yun yung yung injection nila, guys, hindi yung normal injection. Yun yung paniniwala ko. At saka may something in their chips, something very small, micro something. So yun. So I don't know. I kind of nervous. I need to eat something before I'm gonna have a headache. Yung dalawang kapatid ni Tami and yung isa andun sa attic naglilinis. Yung isa andun sa bedroom niya kasi ang daming gamit niya sa bedroom, itatapon lang, sayang, no? You're still using this?
Pump.
What's garbage?
This one here.
All of it?
Yeah.
Maybe it's just time to get a fucking dumpster.
It's garbage, but they need to be full yet. Okay, you wanna put it in the car?
I'll put it in the car.
Okay, go ahead.
The other thing in the car is gonna be the picture of.
I'll do it, honey. It's heavy. My God.
Why don't you go get the rest off his bedroom floor, for Christ's sakes?
What?
The dust buster, the sweeper up there.
I did.
No, there's a shitload of coins on his bedroom floor.
Yeah, I put the old bedroom.
Yeah. You guys gonna have a shitload of change to go through besides my mother's barrel that was like this big. Good luck with all that.
What big?
That
No.
barrel and now all the change all over the place.
Tommy have a lot already. Shit.
Yeah, but her barrel was tremendous.
And I think Tommy bring it home and he can't open it. It's a brown barrel, small one.
No,
You exaggerate.
it's not small. I don't
Seriously.
even know how he fucking carried it down.
No,
the
it's
stairs.
a small one like this. Oh, like this.
It was like this.
No,
I
no.
know. Good. That's like, you know, because you got a lot of weight in a small,
A small thing.
and it's like, for me, it like just slams on my spine.
Okay, so you tell Isabel Monday. I can come back here the for next garbage. Oh, you have to call them?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, he's got a phone. And then, you know, I'm guessing most of the electronics now are sitting right here.
Yeah.
100-year-olds
Mm-hmm.
are up there, but I just cleaned up the car.
My sister-in-law is cleaning upstairs. Oh, I can live here now. Oh, look at that. He did clean up.
Yeah, there's still. I mean, that bag is the garbage though, but it's light, so we can leave it. No, I just got some of the crud off the floor.
Okay.
That's Mom's X-rays and
that?
stuff. That's gonna go.
That's
I know
a
it's
nice
shame.
book.
It's their hand done and everything.
Yeah, you can wash it though.
This is
yellow.
blankets.
Oh, you opened it?
I opened it up from the back. Right in the screw. It's nice and blankets in here. Though.
I know they're all clothes and stuff. Oh, cedar, of course.
Yeah,
Baby blankets?
all kinds of baby blankets in here.
Baby blankets,
Wow.
and dresses.
I think it all. I'd have to unscrew the rest of it to get it open.
But
What's that?
just I remember
This is
it
all
being
baby
clothes
stuff.
and
It's all
no,
baby
it's not
stuff.
baby stuff. Look it.
That's I don't. I mean, leave it in this car.
I know, I'm gonna tell them. I
Drive
need-
care.
Ah, where's my coat? Kailangan ko na umalis kasi yung aso. I forgot where I put my... No, I can't find my coat. Han, what is this bag here? Kailangan ko na umalis. Kasi I can't find my coat now. Hala. Oh, it's right here. Yung sasakyan ko, guys, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, puno. It's right here. Look. Puno, guys, look. Puno. Puno. Plus additional, look. Paano na to? Kailangan ko nang umalis. Andrea has just to pull up over here. We are leaving. Everybody's leaving. My sister-in-law is leaving. I am leaving. Tommy is staying here. My sister-in-law is still here. Look, I still don't have space.
You're only a little. You got the rocks, and then you gotta cut it and turn out.
Okay.
That's a monster ass truck. What do you got, a step stool?
It's a big one, right? It's a big truck. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, don't let him drive that thing. If he hits anybody, he's gonna kill him. I hit anybody, I'm gonna kill him.
It's a nice truck.
Guys.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Now, I know we had talked about it, and there's furniture and stuff that still has to go up the house. Hello. Pack it, go up and come back, you know.
Supposed to, so he knows you're
Yeah.
out there. There's nobody there to say that you're not
Yeah,
there.
I'm calm.
The dogs won't call and say, "Hey, Tommy, where's Maryann? She didn't get home yet." Tommy not home.
Oh, you know what? I think Misty is crying now. She cry a lot.
Oh, does she?
When she want to pee and then she doesn't want to do anything in the house anymore.
Oh, well, that's
She-
good.
No, and then when she cry, you feel bad because the tears just...
Let her out.
But I'm not there. That's the
Oh,
problem.
well, then you don't know she's crying.
No, I always see the camera crying. Bye. Let's see if I can get out of here. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, let's see if I can...
go back up to the bushes and go out straight.
Okay, this is how...
That nervous.
Bye! Bye-bye, Han. Bye! Hi, guys. Ay, ginoo ko. It's already 5:30, guys. O, makapunta ako doon 7 o'clock. Andin yung mga alaga. Gutom na. Ay. Yun yung problema pag ano, parang na-excite ka ba mag-impake, magtapon ng basura. Yun. Saka itong kapatid ni Tami, ang dami yung magagandang gamit. Tinatapon niya lahat. Sabi ko, okay, you keep it. I give you the box. Sabi ko, ibigyan kita ng box. And then, yung box na yun, kung ano yung i-keep mo, ilagay mo doon. And then, I will keep it for you. Pero guys, ang gagandang gamit, tinatapon. Sabi ko, araray. Sabi ko, sayang naman ito. Ay, sabi ko, nasayangan ako. Binigyan ko siya ng box para lang para makip yung mga gamit niyang tinatapon niya. Ang gagandang gamit guys, yung mga pang decoration na sobrang gaganda, na as in, makikita mo sa tindahan na mahal siya. Sabi ko, okay, here's the box for you. At saka, naghalongkat ako ng kabinet na hindi namin hinahalongkat. Ang daming gamit ni Biyanan na nasisira sa baha. Lonely night for me. What can I say? Okay, let's go. Oh my god, you did that freaking thing. What is happening here? What happening? Aray, get down. I know. Okay. Misty, I know, monkey. I know. Where's monkey? I know, monkey. Aray. Hold on. Dala-dala yung bones niya. Roxy P. Hurry up, Pipi. I know. Goofy. Gupe. Parang baliw. What are you whining? Aluluy. Ay, ano baby na mama's home. Did you pee somewhere here? Did you? Oh, what? Hug? What? Ito siya mama's home. Oh my God, parang... Sobrang excited ng mga kigwa. Parang hindi ako nakita ng isang taon. Paano kaya iwan kita, Noy? Iiwan kita. Paano kaya? Ha? Kapag aalis si Mama, ano kayang ma-feel ninyo? Kapag aalis si Mama, magpunta si Mama sa ano? Hi guys! Hello! Binalik ko na naman ito kasi maginaw. Galing ako sa labas kanina lang. And yun, asa na yung tripod natin? Anyway guys, yung laptop ko dito, I think tapos na yan. Kanina pa yan before ako umalis. Kanina pa yan. Pero naghanap ako ng tripod. Maligo ako guys kasi ginoo ako abog. Yung namin doon sa isang bahay, maabog-abog. Ang daming kimi, ang daming basura, basta madami, grabe. Bukas may snow daw guys. Mag-snow daw dito bukas. Let's see. Ay naku, napagod talaga ako eh. Napagod ako sa kakaalsa ng mga basura, ng mga boxes doon sa isang bahay. Naghiwa-hiwalay kami, naglinis kasi para naman matapos, di ba? Yes, tapos na tayo naligo. Naligo tayo eh. Sabi ko, maligo nga tayo para naman mag-impress ko yung katawan natin. Ito yung damit. And time check, it is 8:27 na ng 8:27 na ng gabi. Napifeel ko talaga yung dust sa buhok ko. Yung anong tawag sa Tagalog abog. Abog ba? Sa Tagalog, ano yan? And pagkatapos nito, mag-i-dry ko lang yung buhok ko kasi ayaw kong matulog ba sa buhok. Kasi nangyayari na sa akin, nahiga ako na parang hindi man sobrang basa. Basa lang konti. And then, yung tainga ko, napasukan na pala ng tubig sa buhok. Yun. sumakit yung ano. Anyway, guys. So, iina natin itong vlog. Salamat, guys, sa panonood, ha. Thank you, guys, so much for watching the vlog. And yun. I will see you, guys, tomorrow. So, yun. Tomorrow is, sabi pa, may snow. So, let's see kung may snow ba tomorrow. So, let's see. Sobrang dry yung paa. So, kaya hindi si Tami umuwi kasi ulan doon bukas. At saka may halong snow. Dito naman is purely snow. Sabi pa ng asawa ni sister-in-law, 5 inches daw. Okay, let's blow dry the hair. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, guys.